How would you know if you found a meteorite?
Black magnetic looking rock.
Okay. So does that mean we need to go on our walks with a big magnet?
You can see them. They're big enough.
So pretty. I guess you can tell we've got weather coming in. See if we can still see the sun dog. Yeah, it shows up a little bit. There it is on the edge. You see that little rainbow? Little rainbow edge. It's harder to see on the right side. But I think you guys can see it on the right there, center screen. I was looking for the airplane. It took me a while to find it. Mark thought I was looking for the sun dog, but Mark said they're not sun dogs, they're sun kittens. I like that. You can have sun kittens. All right, we're heading back. Thank you for joining us on our walk today. Just a way to spend a little half an hour in the late afternoon. Get out of the house for a minute, get gray out because we're gonna have rain come Wednesday. Get her outside. You can see the old palm